Okay, folks, this is a part 3 of the Policy Memorandum 602-0199. So today we're talking about who this policy memorandum does not affect. And number 1 would be refugees. Refugees, year after admission, can file for adjustment. It's Section 209A of Immigration Nationality Act. So 1 year later, once you came into the United States legally with refugee status, 1 year later you have to file for adjustment. That policy memorandum doesn't affect you. Second, asylees. If you were granted asylum in the United States, a year later you're filing for adjustment, again, it doesn't affect you. Third group is special immigrant juveniles. If you were granted special immigrant juvenile status and you're filing for adjustment, this memorandum doesn't affect you. Next group is U visas and T visas. It's witnesses and victims of the crime. Doesn't affect you if you're filing for adjustment in the United States. Violence Against Women Act. If you're trying to adjust through Violence Against Women Act, doesn't affect you as well. Finally, most importantly, K1 people, K1, fiancé, fiancés. You came as a fiancé or fiancé, you are free to file for adjustment. This memorandum doesn't affect you. And also, it just came to my mind, NACARA applicants who are adjusting in the United States, this memorandum doesn't affect you. Now, on refugees, previously I posted this is very important. So Trump administration announced the policy that if you came into the United States as a refugee and you did not file exactly 1 year later, they will be taking you into the custody because the Immigration Nationality Act allows the government to take refugee into the custody for determination whether you're still a refugee. So the way they decided to play it is the following. You file for adjustment, obviously they schedule for fingerprints. They schedule for fingerprints, they can investigate to see if there are any negatives. If you don't file for adjustment, then they come pick you up. So obviously it makes more sense to file for adjustment. But if you have some negatives, you need to talk to an attorney. Well, at this time, my recommendation would be to talk to an attorney no matter what. We've been practicing for 23 years. We practice immigration exclusively. My phone number is 818-545-9555. We can do remote consultation. I consult all over the world. I consult all over the country. And if you're local in California, you're welcome to come in. And the phone number will be posted. And citation to the previous postings, part 1 and part 2 also will be posted. So thank you for today. We'll see you next time.